Eminent Karbi literature and founder president of Karbi Lamet Amai KLA, Longkam Teron, was commemorated with respect yesterday in different parts of Karbi Anglong. Along with the Central Committee of the Karbi Apex literary body, its regional committees as well as branches also organize short events to mark the day. In Hanjang Langso, ni Hangdonsuri Longri Amai of the KLA, in association with Tarkong Aklam branch, had organized commemoration program at Nirja Aklam, Arnam Langpi. They began the commemoration by paying floral tribute to the pioneer of Karbi literature. The main session of the day was chaired by KLA NDLA President Tuseswar Terang and assisted by Secretary Samprikimi Phangcho. Among the guests attending the event were Borjan MSc Surjo Rongpar, former KAC Speaker Longki Timung, former KAC EM Lunse Timung, Padmasri Dhaneswar Ingti, KSS leader Hum Singbe, and many Karbi literary enthusiasts. During the event, the KLA NDLA felicitated Padmasri Dhaneswar Ingti for bringing laurel to the district and Karbi tribe. The Padmasri recipient had also narrated at length about his journey from a beginner to till date. At the same time, winner of GTV's 5th DID Little Master Nabajit Narjari was also felicitated. He was warmly praised by everyone present for his feat to win the title that has brought reason to smile on the faces of the people of Assam. After that, poem recitation competition was conducted among the 13 branches under the KLA NDLA. Among the winners of the competition was KLA Hanjang Langso branch Rup Singh Togbi winning the first prize, Bokajan branch Homsira Bepi winning second prize, and Tarlong's Aro Sanjay Bey winning the third prize. Speaking during the prize distribution ceremony, Chief Guest Surjo Rongpar had urged the youths as well as the whole Karbi society to cooperate with the Karbi Lamet Amai in order to preserve and promote Karbi language. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.